Welcome to this video looking at solving equations involving brackets and also some involving some fractions. Okay, so this is aimed at predominantly for the foundation tier maths, although it will also be appropriate for higher tier as well. Okay, in fact, I would actually say that all of them actually have a chance of appearing on a higher tier paper, so feel free to obviously make sure that you practice this. Okay, we're going to start with question number 1. 3 lots of 6x plus 2 equals 60. Now there's 2 ways of solving this problem. I'm going to do it by expanding the bracket method, but if you were taught like another way, that's also fine. Okay, this is question number 1. I'm going to expand 3 times 6x, which is 18x. And then 3 times positive 2, which is positive 6. So I'm going to have 18x plus the 6 is equal to 60. Okay, so that's expanding or multiplying out a single bracket. 3 times 6x is 18x, and 3 times positive 2 is positive 6. I'm now going to subtract 6 on both sides. Okay, I get 18x is equal to 54. Dividing both sides by 18 to get x by itself. Okay, 54 divided by 18 is equal to 3. So x equals 3 is our solution for the first equation. Okay. On to question number 2 now. Again, we're going to have to expand the bracket for this. So 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times positive 2 is positive 6 is equal to 60. Taking away 6 from both sides, okay, I get 9x is equal to 54. Dividing both sides by 9, I get that x is equal to 6. Okay. Question number 3, guys. Expanding this, I get 3x plus 6 is equal to 60. Okay. Subtracting 6 on both sides, I get 3x is equal to 54. Now, if you remember from question 1 that 54 divided by 18 is 3, therefore if I divide both sides by 3, I'm going to get that x is equal to 18, because 3 times 18 is 54. This is question number 4, guys. Expanding the brackets on the right hand side, I get 3x subtract 6. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, plus 6 to both sides, and then divide by 3. Okay, 66 is equal to 3x. Dividing it by 3, we're going to get that x is equal to 22. Okay, when we solve that equation. Okay, 66 divided by 3 is 22. Okay. Question number 5. Okay, so let's just delete a bit of this so we got a bit more space. So I've got a fraction, okay, on my left hand side. So to get rid of a fraction, guys, I'm going to multiply by the denominator on both sides of my equation to balance it. So I'm going to times both sides by 2 minus x. Okay, so I get 60 is equal to 3 lots of 2 minus x. Okay. Expanding the bracket, I get 60 is equal to 6 minus 3x. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times negative x is negative 3x. Okay, subtract 6 on both sides. I get 54 is equal to negative 3x. Dividing both sides by negative 3, so I've got to be very careful here. Okay, dividing it by negative 3, I get negative 18. So 54 divided by negative 3 is negative 18. Okay. This is question number 6, guys. Multiplying both sides by 2 minus x. Now, this is actually the same as this one. So it is going to give us x is negative 18 again. Okay. And the reason why I know is because if I put in negative 18, I get 2 minus 18, which is 2 plus 18, which is going to be 20. 60 divided by 20 is equal to 3. Okay, so 5 and 6 are actually the exact same equation, but it's just been reversed, okay, written in a different order. This one, okay, this one's slightly more different because I've got a minus 3 here. Okay, but in theory, you will get a positive 18 here, okay, when you solve it, okay, because by making that a minus 3 there, you're essentially making x a negative, and because x in the previous one was already negative, I change that to a positive. Okay, 2 take away 18 is negative 16, sorry, so it might not be that right answer actually. Let's just try that. Okay, so expanding the bracket, I'm going to get minus 6 plus 3x. Okay, so I think I made a mistake here when I was trying to make a general conclusion. So 3x is equal to 66, x is equal to 22. Okay, which sounds right to me because 2 take away 22 is minus 20. 60 divided by minus 22. Sorry, 60 divided by 22. Sorry, 60 divided by negative 20 is negative 3. Sorry. So if we're unsure, I'll plus the 6 and then divide it by 3. Okay, 3x is equal to 66, sorry. And then x is equal to 22. Okay. By solving that, okay, dividing both sides by 3, x is equal to 22, okay, and that's my answer for question number 7. Okay, so what I did was I multiplied both sides by 2 minus x, okay, minus 3 times 2 is minus 6, minus 3 times minus x, remember that a negative times a negative equals a positive, equal to 60, rearrange it to make x the subject, so add 6 to both sides, then divide by 3, and I get the answer of 22. And this one, if we're not sure, the previous one, 54 divided by minus 3 is negative 8. So x is equal to negative 18, okay, for that one. Okay. Right guys, that is the end of today's video, so I hope you found this solving equations revision video useful. If you did, please press like, please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and lastly, please click that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads, and please do share this, okay, with anyone that is doing revision for the upcoming summer 2022 exams, okay. Thanks for watching, I'll see you for the next one, bye for now.